Welcome. We're standing at the foot of Alps, not a mountain in Switzerland, but one of the most powerful supercomputers in the world. 2,500 nodes, 10,000 GPUs, 430 petaflops. This is a story about taming the metal. When Alps came online, we had a challenge. Swiss wanted it for weather forecast, AI community for training, researchers for HPC. One machine, several different requirements. Our ops team owned the metal. The dev teams owned the software, but they lived in completely separate worlds. Every request had to cross a bridge made of emails and tickets. Nothing moved fast enough. The ops team lived in a world of manual Ansible playbooks, often living in individuals' computer. Every change was bespoke and every fix uncrafted. Building images took weeks. Booting nodes, hours. Nothing was fast enough. Changes had to wait for weeks. We get to a breaking point. Ops were drowning in manual work. Devs were frustrated. Something had to change. What we did, we create a dev team to build an alternative. 2 years of engineering. Brilliant, modern, elegant, but it never shipped. Nobody in Ops knew how to operate it. What we did, we merged the two teams. Not a collaboration, a real merger. Ops and devs sharing accountabilities. 2 months later, we shipped to production. What changed is how we thought of the problem. Infrastructure became code, code became infrastructure. Every change became a pull request in a Git repository. We didn't know it had a name, but if you look at the diagram, you can recognize it. Git, Terraform, Ansible, Nomad, Kubernetes, Argo. That's platform engineering. Every system definition, every configuration, every Zoom setting, it all lives in Git. Every change became a pull request that Ops and Dev reviewed together. CI/CD pipelines triggered Terraform playbooks that deploy and configure the system. Every platform needs an orchestrator. We have two. Nomad schedules jobs directly on bare metal, while Terraform schedules control services in Kubernetes. We decompose every system we had into building blocks we call vServices: IAM, network, storage, user environments. Then we build everything on the fly when we spawn a new cluster. The person responsible for the cluster can now define its system simply through Git request. The platform is completely configurable. 16 vCluster in production, 95% availability, millions of hours shipped to researchers, AI community, and Swiss. Platform engineering on bare metal is possible. The cultural shift followed the technical shift. We switched from open a ticket to propose a change and own it. Some teams get immediately, other teams are still learning. Changing culture is not that trivial. The beast is tamed, but not domesticated. Navigating this journey is like the Himalaya Pass. Beautiful roads, but the curves are steep. Hardware infrastructure, platform decision, breaking silos, building trust. There's no straight line up a mountain. The peak reveals the next mountain. We are building vServices 2.0. We want them faster, simpler, more reliable. But now we know what we are building. Thank you.